Hey guys, got a quick video on the 2023 Ford Explorer. Going to be installing some front and rear mud flaps. So these are the mud flaps I'm going to be installing. I just went with the genuine Ford ones. I got this whole kit off of Amazon. It was right around $106, so I'll put a link in the description for it. That's going to be the part number for the kit, which includes the front and the rears. So these are going to be the front ones here. So you see it's just the plastic that'll match the plastic on the Explorer. It does come with some clips for the front ones, and then of course instructions. The rear ones here, as you can see, they do have the Ford emblem on them. And then there's no clips or anything for the rears. Those just bolt on. So I'll show you how to do that here in a second. And if you guys want to order just the front or the rears, there's the part number. That's going to be for the rear ones there. And then this is going to be for the front ones. Part number if you just want to order the fronts or the rears by themselves. Let's go ahead and start on the front ones really quick. So for the front ones, we're going to use a couple clips. You can see the indentation there on the mud flap, and then you can see the hole here. So there is a nut underneath here. It's going to be a 10 millimeter that we do need to remove. So this is going to be that 10 millimeter nut you need to remove. So go ahead and remove that. So then go ahead and get your mud flap into position. You can see it kind of forms to the plastic here. And then this hole is going to go over that stud that we just took the nut off on. So go ahead and stick that in there. Grab the nut that you just took off. We're going to go ahead and screw that back on. And then we'll go ahead and get that tight, and then we can do our clips next. And then you're going to take two of the clips that they provide you with, get your mud flap kind of lined up, and this clip is going to go over this portion of the plastic and then the mud flap. So get that kind of lined up, and then just slide it on for both of these areas here. And that's all there is to the front ones. Let's go ahead and move on to the back. So for the rear one, it looks like we're going to need to remove a total of 3 7 millimeter bolts. But if you take a look at the mud flap here, there is a 4th hole here in the middle. But as you can see on my Explorer, it does not have a bolt there. So we'll go ahead and remove these 3 7 millimeter bolts here. And it looks like for this back one here, you may hit on your tire. So let me get a shallow socket for that. And then of course go ahead and grab your mud flap here. Go ahead and get those 7 millimeters started back on here. And I'll probably just get all 3 of these started, and then we'll tighten them up after they're started on here. Get all those started. Let's go ahead and tighten them up now. Okay, so that's all there is to the rears. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side really quick. I'm not going to record that, and then I'll come back. So as you can see, got the driver's side all done as well. So here's what the front one looks like. You can see it's a perfect match, and that's the reason I went with the factory Ford ones, is because the plastic is going to match perfectly. Same with the color and texture and everything. And then it even has the little indentation here. So like I said, that's the reason I went with the factory Ford ones. Take a look here at the rear one. There's what that one looks like. As you can see, the Ford logo on there. And just like the fronts, that's just a perfect match on there. So I'm hoping this is going to help protect some of the paint. Here's what it looks like from a distance here. Let's check out this other side really quick. In the sunlight. So you can see that's what those look like. So hopefully this video helps you out. Like I said, check the description there. I got these off Amazon. I'll put a link in there for them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.